Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use mouthwash for fresher breath. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is the mouthwash that I use, but there are many different options to choose from. And I'm going to show you how to use the mouthwash to kill off the bacteria in your mouth and freshen up your breath. Now, when you should use the mouthwash and how often you should be using it, that's a whole different story, and you can do your own research on that. I'm going to do a separate video about that, but for this video, I'm just showing you and telling you how to use mouthwash whenever you decide to use it. So, first and foremost, you want to remove the lid. I'm going to show you how to remove the lid. Usually you have to squeeze these tabs. In some mouthwash containers you don't. In this one you do. You got to squeeze the tabs and twist it off just like that. Okay? Now some people will go and use a separate cup for their mouthwash. I just like to use the lid. You just need a little bit, not a lot. A lot of people put way too much in there, okay? You don't need a lot. It's just enough to sort of coat your mouth and spit out. That's the key here, okay? You are spitting out the mouthwash. All of this mouthwash that's going into your mouth is getting spit out into the sink. So I'll show you right here how much mouthwash I have. It's just I'd say it's like a third of the lid, okay? It's not a lot. So when you're ready to use your mouthwash to freshen your breath, you're gonna put it in your mouth, swirl it around your mouth, between your teeth, around your tongue for maybe about 15 seconds or so, and then spit it out, okay? And then some people will rinse their mouth afterwards. Other people will just sort of leave their mouth like that. And then the mouthwash will just sort of come out through saliva, okay? So let's go and do this right now. I'm just going to swirl it around in my mouth, spit it out. Follow along. Okay, now as you can see, I swirled the mouthwash around in my mouth, and then I spit it out. I personally like to rinse after I'm done. I just give it a couple of rinses with water whenever I've finished. And it really just helps me get that flavor out of my mouth, that taste out of my mouth, but I still have the bacteria eliminated and I still have that freshness in my breath. That's it. That is how to use mouthwash for fresher breath. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.